Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miracle, if you do not already know. Friday. So we just got here. Today is a beautiful day to make, you know, content. Isn't that such a beautiful day? It is, right? What should I name this vlog? A productive day in my life. I'm about to be very productive today, like you guys. Basically today I and my friend we're going out to take pictures. We don't even have a location. We're just going to be driving around the city, and if you see a nice building, a nice place, something really calm, I'll probably post pictures on the screen so you guys will see, you know, the vibe. I have 2 outfits ready. I'm not even sure we'll be able to still have time to take a 3rd outfit picture. She has things to do herself, so I'm not trying to enforce my day on her. I'm not a dictator. I'm not Buhari. My battery. How is this battery about? I'll be back, you guys.
It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen a hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet up. On second thought, that ain't the way to go.
I know that experiences, you know, that December is when you could link with your shorty meet on the text in January.
You don't know why it's going on.
Face killer.
So hi guys, quick outfit check. This is Misguided, Pretty Little Thing. My Air Force One Pretty Little Thing is from Misguided. Earring is from Pretty Little Thing. I think this is going to be the first outfit for the shoot today, so I hope you guys like my style. I'm not really a fashionable person, but I try my best. She's nodding her head like, yeah, yes ma'am. I have an idea where we're going. Literally just driving.
I want to try La Centera too.
What's that?
In like an outside mall. Girl, search on your phone.
Oh, this?
Yeah, La Centera.
Beautiful.
You like it?
Yes.
Yeah, last time I pulled
Content for you guys is right here. Shout out to Ashley. You guys, the struggle.
smoke, I let you have it. The scene's up, you can stop that acting, let's get factual. Yeah, look, I ain't take your girl, she just came to me. So she is a dime, I told her you should. When I go outside, I look alive and
She's a great photographer, guys. Like, bro.
This is Pretty Little Things. We would like to sponsor you. All the clothes are going to be shipped there for free, and also we're going to be giving you $1 million for the rest of the week.
$1 million?
say I'm fucking with ya. Oh, please no liquor, sipping on this elixir. THC up in my system. Gas, no jewelry unless it complement the fashion. Do this with the passion, hop on stage and then I dab 'em up. We used to fashion in the basement. I'm trapping.
We got pictures from just 2 outfits. I was supposed to get pictures from this outfit too. My lace. The lace is already telling me, sis, she gotta go home, okay? And plus I used got to be, so I knew it wasn't going to stay, you know, on my head for a long time. Plus today is really hot, so we're heading to the grocery store to go get chicken and ingredients for the pasta that I'm about to make. Say hi to my vlog. So I'm home. I've started making my pasta and spaghetti on fire. Can I call you back? I feel like we should just end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed spending the day with me like I enjoyed taking you along with me. I'm about to eat. Don't judge me. This food is a little bit too much, but I really don't care because this is my first meal of the day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and please you guys share and comment. I need you guys to comment on my videos just so I know how I'm doing. I also want to thank you guys for the love of my last video. I really appreciate it. It's been great. It's been a deal breaker. Until then, I will see you guys later. Say hi.
Hey, you alright?